just realized that, like, companies will have to make signs saying, no smoking marijuana within the Smith, like, on company property or whatever.
Beautiful, beautiful angel. Love your imperfections, every anger. Sophia, it go like.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today, I will be talking about Canada and the legalization of marijuana. Now, if you guys didn't already know, you could smoke marijuana, you could smoke marijuana only for medical purposes. Since October 17th, you can now smoke marijuana for recreational use. I think the only requirement is that you have to be either 18 or 19, above 18 or 19, depending on the province or territory that you live in. Where I live, it's 19, Ontario. But I only live like 20 minutes away from that. Their law says that you have to be at least 18. So for me, I could just cross the border when I turn 18. And if I wanted to, I could smoke marijuana if I wanted to. I'm not even 17 yet. I will be 17 in January. So I still have like a little over a year. Sorry, my dad was asking me a question. So yeah, I'm not even 17 yet. I will be in a few months. I think that it's interesting that they're legalizing marijuana now. And there are some good things about legalizing it and some bad things about legalizing it. I think the one good thing that they mainly talked about was what was it? I had it in my hand and now it's gone. So there is there's a black market for drugs, and by legalizing marijuana, you're taking one of the drugs that they you're taking that off the list by legalizing it and letting everyone in Canada have it. Drug dealers get all the profit. None of it goes to like the rest of Canada. By legalizing it, you're also helping the economy by giving money back from buying marijuana. It's like if you're at a grocery store, you buy like a banana or something. You pay for the banana, and then part of the money that you pay for the banana goes back to the economy for schools or fresher food or something like that. It's the same with everything that you buy. Part of the money that you pay for it goes back to the economy. You're getting drug dealers off the streets. Yeah. Thank you. I don't know who that was. Off the top of my head, I can't really think of anything bad about legalizing marijuana. I'm sure that there are. I just can't think of anything yet on the top of my head. Oh, yes, I can think of something. So I've seen a lot of ads recently about impaired driving and marijuana, and marijuana induced paralyzed driving. So of course they say no drinking and driving, it'll impair your vision and your motor skills. For what marijuana, it's still the same thing. It will impair your vision. It'll impair how quickly you react to things. You're here and there, like just in front of you, and you don't stop in time because you're impaired, so you just glide and, well, I don't think that would be an explosion, but yeah, you see what I mean. Like, you can't think straight from marijuana. I think that's the simplest way of saying it. I have looked, I've looked up on the internet a lot about this, for when I am allowed to smoke marijuana. I think it's good to have a head start on, like, the information on how marijuana affects you, and I think I'll keep reading the reports just to see over the next year how people are affected by the legalization of marijuana. Do they go overboard and take a lot of marijuana at a time, or do they step back and say, I'm gonna have this much in 1 week, and then I'll stop for a week, and then I'll have the same amount for, over a period of time. And I think everyone should do that. They should research about this. I know that in some states you can smoke marijuana recreationally. I know in California, and I know that in Amsterdam, Netherlands, you can as well. I think that's all for this video, really. I don't really have anything else to say. I hope you guys have a good day, week, month, year, whatever it is for you guys. So I will see you guys next time, so bye. When I'm 18, but I have to cross the border into the US. No, I have to cross the border into Quebec. Why am I saying the US? I don't know why I'm saying the US.